Hi there, this is Vanessa W1IRL with a quick tip. Uh, I don't know about you, but I plan my day around the weather, or at least I plan what I'm going to wear or things that I need to take with me. Uh, so I'm always watching the weather on the news or on the radio, which is very rare. I only use that in case of emergencies or ham radio. Another option you have is to use one of these little things. This is a fMRS radio, which doesn't require a license, and this one in particular had a button where you can access the weather frequency. And this is from the National Weather Service. Um, but as ham operators, you can also program the or tune into the frequency from the National Weather Service in your radio. What I want to do today is on that radio that I use as my base dual band radio. I want to put or program accessing the weather frequency through the use of a function key. In this case, I chose PF3. So we're here at the radio. As I said, I think I mentioned it's Yaesu FTM-100DR. But if you have a different radio, you probably can find out how to do the thing if you're interested in doing them on your specific radio. In order to program the function key I showed, which is PF3 on the microphone. I'm sorry, I come from the computer world, so I keep saying function key, but it's similar. The programmable key 3, P3. To access the weather, we have to do a couple of steps, to complete a couple of steps. So first step, we need to enter into the setup menu, and in this particular radio, that's the last key here, which is display or setup. If we do a quick click or a quick press, it will change the display and show satellites, etc. If we do a long click or a long press, it will bring us to the menu for setup, which is what we want to do now. So long click. First thing we need to do is turn on the weather alerts, and that's in option 4 of the setup menu, or menu 4. So we're always doing a short click as a general rule on the setup key to select things. So to select this, we selected it, and now to really activate it or go into the menu, we do a quick press, which I compared to like clicking your mouse, one click on the computer. So the option we want, it's here from that setup menu, signaling. The submenu is 10, which is the weather alert. If we were not there, we'll use the tuning button to access it. We're at option 10. We're gonna do a quick click. Oh, I don't want that. Long press. Signaling weather alert. So now we're using the button to go to on. In this case, we don't have to click because it's sometimes you do, sometimes you don't. In this place, it doesn't make any difference. It's selected as it is when you go to it. So we're gonna go back using the back button and back again, so we can access the second thing that we need to do, which is program the key. So for that, we're going to use our button here to go to config and do a quick select or a quick click, and we're going to choose option 10, microphone program key, with a quick click. I had already selected it, so I just need to do a quick click here to go to that submenu. And now we're going to use our button to go to function key 3. And we're pointing to it, but we cannot change anything yet. We have to now select it with the quick click. And if you see now it's blinking, so we can use our button to go through the option that we can set up on our function keys. So I want WX for weather, that's the one I want. It's blinking, so it's not registered yet. To register it, we need to do another quick click or quick press. And I did a long press. So let's confirm that we did change that. Yes, it took. So we're going back. As you saw, if you do a long press from here, it will return you to your main screen, or if not, you can just go press back, back, back until you get to it. So now let's do a test. Let's see if this works. So I have my microphone. I'm gonna press PF3. And as you see, we have, you could hear, we have the weather station, and you see the frequency on the screen. I'm going to turn it off. That will be with another press of the PF3 key, and we're back to our national simplex frequency for VHF, calling frequency for VHF. So I hope you find the tip useful. Again, if you don't have this particular radio and you're interested in something like this, find out how to do it in your radio. So even you can probably try it also in some HT. Some HT have programmable keys. So 73 from W1IRL. Take care.